Hello, I'm Spenta here with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox some items that Temu has sent me. I'm going to start with this one. Thanks for being here, by the way. If you are a first-time visitor, don't forget to subscribe. And if you've been here before, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see what Temu has sent me this time. I have another unboxing video with Temu because a few days ago they shipped me an item. So I'm looking forward to seeing what these are here. By the way, Temu has exclusive offers for first-time users and lots of discount and coupon codes. And I urge you to check out their website. By the way, you can also look for more information under the description of my video. When you're waiting to patiently open things. Well, I love gardening, so I'm sure these are going to be fantastic items. Let's see. The box is a little tough on me. I'm going to use my beautiful shears here. Awesome. They sure do have good packaging, in my opinion. The last time they sent me an item, it was for my gardens and it was for outdoor gardening. However, it was amazing. I really liked it. Here we have it. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. So this is, let's see, a wind chime that is going to be added to my other wind chimes. Let me see, it's a little bit tangled. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Lots of hummingbirds. I love gardening and I have an exclusive hummingbird garden. So this is going to look really pretty with my outdoor decor. Let's see. I have other wind chimes such as butterflies, hummingbirds. I really do love hummingbirds. This one seems to be a little bit tangled, but I can get it untangled with patience. Thanks for your patience and for being here with me today. Very good packaging. This one is not broken. That's really good. Really good. Also, the price is great. For the price, you should definitely check out my video description. Let's see. And don't forget, if you are the first-time user, then you get that exclusive offer. And there are still lots of coupons to be taken advantage of if you are a returning user. Here we are. Let's see. Looks like I can finally open this one and maybe, perhaps. Well, let's see. Aha! I have figured it out. Okay, well, it will be ready to go in my gardens. Let's see. I have figured it out backwards. That's pretty awesome. Love it. Wow. It is pretty sturdy. Let's get this going. It is taking me a little bit longer than usual. Oh, here's the button for it. Oh, it's very, very nice. Very, very nice. Hummingbird wind chimes. It goes like this. So I'm wondering if I see. I just understood how this goes. Let's see if the other one is in good shape, just like this one. And let's see if I can open that one straight up, since I now realized how you are supposed to. You're supposed to take it out of the, there's a trick to the box. There's the trick to taking it out of the box. That's what it is. So I'm going to let you know, go ahead and grab it with the clip and don't be like me and look for a long time. Look at it right here. Do you see that? That is very awesome. This is going to be beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I have a butterfly set. I have a butterfly and I have a hummingbird set that I will definitely get untangled after the video. But as you can see, beautiful, and they will go in my gardens on my patio and look very, very beautiful. I like that they're sturdy and boxed very well. Let's look for the next item. By the way, since we are looking at the next item and going through these items together, I'd like to let you know the one that they sent me a few days ago is really beautiful as well. Now, I did share that one in a video, in my prior video, and maybe this one will take me 5 hours to unbox, right? No, I'm just kidding. They sent me this one. Maybe I'm not kidding. They sent me this one, and it is a diamond solar light. I really, really think it's amazing. I've already unboxed it, taken it out of the box, and I really like it. I'm going to add it to my gardens. It's going to light up my gardens at night. So this is also another outdoor decor for my gardens. I like indoor and outdoor gardening, so I've looked into some items that Temu offers, and Temu sent me this. I'm really glad. I really, really like it, and I'm looking forward to using this one. Basically, I'm going to tell you what it is. It is I'm going to share the item right here, and then I'm going to read it to you guys. It's the LED grow lights, multiple scenes, magnetic design, cyclic timing, dimmable light and height adjustable. That's pretty nice because, as you can see behind me, I can use grow light in any of my plants or in my indoor greenhouse, which is what I'm planning on using these on, is on my new veggies that I'm going to grow in my indoor greenhouse. Grow lights. Very nice. You can also use the grow lights for outdoor greenhouse. I'm just going to use it for my indoor ones. Really nice and sturdy. I really like this. It will go in really well. Good quality. I can tell you that is of good quality. And now let's open this one. My final shipment from Temu. Thank you so much to Temu for being amazing and for shipping me amazing items that I'm going to be using. As I mentioned, I love gardening, so here I go. I can't wait to check out all my new items. Oh my gosh, this shirt is so pretty. I have it backwards to you guys. Let's see if you can read it. I love it. It says all plants are edible, some only once. So check this out. Temu even has shirts, t-shirts, and other things to offer, not just gardening needs. So check out what they offer. As I mentioned in my description section, there is going to be a link for first-time users and for other members that are looking forward into getting discount coupons and shopping at Temu. Thank you so much for watching my share. Your subscriptions, likes, comments are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to share this video. I'm Spenta, Save Planet Earth, now, tomorrow, always. Wishing you a beautiful day.